Hi guys, it's Chef Dom here. I wanted to do a personal message before the sun went down on the first day of 2020 to say thank you all so much for your lovely, heartfelt birthday messages. I really appreciate them. To any other 1st of January Capricorns, happy birthday to you as well. I had a fabulous party today. My partner put on a wonderful surprise party, which I don't normally get into surprise parties because I'm a little bit of a control freak and I love to know exactly what's going on, but he managed to pull off a beautiful party with all my family. There were tears. I think that is part of turning 48. I get very emotional now, and it was wonderful just to kind of, celebrate with family, really close family and friends, and really beautiful, beautiful time. So I don't know about most of you, but I thought 2019 was quite a challenge and a very chunky year. So I'm quite glad for it to be over and to be saying goodbye. One of the lessons I would like to share with you that I picked up in 2019 was quite a personal lesson for me, and it was really about the act of service and giving. And I found that through giving my time and giving to other people, taking the emphasis off my own life and what was going on in my own life and worrying about my own life and what I'm doing and where I'm going, particularly after I sold my restaurant, I grappled with, what now? What am I doing? What do I want to do? What brings me joy? What fulfills me? I really found that helping somebody else to kind of come into their own allowed me the time, and I suppose allowed my energy to sort of relax, to then let the direction flow into my life and the clarity on what I want to do for this coming year, and I suppose for the subsequent years to come. So for 2020, for me, I want to share with you what's happening. So I have a new cooking school opening in March, very exciting. I've got a great new TV show that's coming out on SBS Food. I'll keep you posted on when that is launching. And I'm also working on a new cookbook. I get so many of you contacting me saying how much you love my recipes, and for me, most of you know I am half Italian. I don't like to box myself into just one genre or one cuisine. So most of you might see my posts. I do a little bit of keto. I love a bit of fasting. I love healthy, wholesome food. I'll throw out a pasta or two. I do eat bread. I have chocolate. I love a glass of wine. But for me, cooking is really about balance, and those are the sort of recipes that I love creating. I love creating tasty, nourishing, feasting recipes that are really easy for you to cook at home. Everyday food using everyday ingredients, and you can get more of those recipes by subscribing to my newsletter, and also I will be starting a new YouTube channel where I will be sharing those recipes with you and kind of cooking them up and talking to you more about why I love them and different ingredients, and really just kind of sharing a little bit more of my food world with you. So I would love to say thank you again to all my followers, those of you that engage on my social media platforms. I really appreciate it, and I really look forward to a fantastic 2020 moving forward.